good to go?
Yeah.
Okay, this is a 77 Yamaha X715 GT model. Push it out in the garage. Been here for the last 25 years or so.
See what it looks like. Right back.
It's a heavy
one.
push it back. This side. Okay. Bought this bike in 77 from Ernie Page in Edinburgh. Been in the garage for the last 30 years. So we're going to start it up, see what we think about it. Thanks to Warren to help me get back on the road. Pretty original. Everything's fairly standard apart from, as you can see, it's not faded too worn. Apart from that, it's really standard. Okay, let's start up, see what it sounds like.
These are my choke, these ones.